I wish that I could write to the sky and to the stars. I wish I had a way of an outlet. I wish it let me.
So we are on the highway and we just came back from Marshall's and we bought a couple of things and we're about to show them to you what we bought.
And it's really hot out again today. We don't feel like doing much, so we're gonna just hang around the house. And the drive up was really pretty. We didn't take the highway,
Yes.
so it was really pretty. And now we're on the highway, and there's sort of traffic, but it's not so bad.